Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove Gamma watermark. So first is export your PPT from Gamma. And after you exported it, go to Canva, make an account if you don't have one, and then click on presentation. Now wait for it to load up. Now here you can click on the projects, uploads, and click on upload file. Now here, select your PPT on Gamma and wait for it to be uploaded. After that, simply click on it and click on apply all 8 pages. And then there you go. After it got uploaded here, simply click on the Made with Gamma watermark, then click on the delete button. Here you go, delete it, and here, simply click on share and download your PPT. Those watermark will be removed, and that's basically it.